Hello guys, I'm here at the property working on Vaillant Ecotec Pro 24 R2 type. The fault code of F27 was coming, and I did check this electrode cable all the way to the PCB. There was a good continuity, no cut in between. Then we go for the PCB for the gas valve to check if it's letting by. I put it in 20 millibar and I closed it from here, gas valve, and I left it for 20 for the past 2-3 minutes now. It's not going down, it's not going up, it's exactly where I left it, so it's not letting by. The gas valve is fine. The third option is to go for the PCB. PCB is faulty, and that is a Ecotec Pro 24 F27. Fault code relates to three source of faults: the gas valve, the electrode, or the PCB. Here we have got the PCB fault. Thanks for watching.